ってばよ
Bro, you're a savage. You got overspray all over your face.
Hell yeah, dude. I don't give a fuck, dude. No one's gonna see that.
How'd you go not swing left?
I think we went over the subframe.
Like,
Yeah, we went over that, yeah. You need me to push it out more?
yeah.
I should probably zip tie my hood, huh?
Oh, yeah, remember?
Yeah, here, let me grab some
We
zip.
strapped it down last time.
Yeah, we strapped it down last time. I'll get some zip ties. We'll zip tie it to the subframe, I guess. The frame, the horns. I'll just take a bunch of zip ties and just hold it down. How did we do it last time?
We did a tie down. Like, we just like
right
lightly
across?
went over it. I have another tie down in the car
Yeah,
right there.
maybe we can hear. Yeah.
Hey, you want to watch that actually?
Which
And
one?
then I'll hit in because I'm gonna have
Sure.
to. You might want to steer it too.
Yeah, here. Yep. So,
It's like pushing.
I think that's what we did last time, bro. I'm pretty sure there's nowhere else that we could have went.
Hey, did you have your bumper reinforcement?
My bumper reinforced? No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we good.
Bro, wheels aren't moving.
The wheels.
Oh, you know why?
Oh, you know why? Because of the ratchet. Duh. Idiots. You're pretty good with the steering?
I think it's moving so far.
Steer left?
Yeah. You need to go left.
Yeah. Alright. Good? Turn left? Alright.
Hey, close the door so we don't hit it on it. I'm gonna pull the car forward so there's not so much weight.
Yeah. Cool. You want me to put the handbrake on?
Yeah, yeah. You could do the good part.
Yeah. Alright, cool. So we finally made it back to Aaron's with the E36. Luckily, Ninja was able to help us out, get it towed back. Mr. Clutch. Might as well take this off. It did its part. It's not like super wet in here, so. Okay. God, this car's so dirty. For not knowing what I was doing, I don't think I did too bad.
Yeah, that's good. That'll work.
Yep. Yeah, I had some like runs here, obviously, like a lot of the
What you
metallic
can do
stuff.
about, like, this. Is there anything you can do? Because that's really like people are gonna see that. It's
Yeah,
no doubt.
but it's all good. I mean, this will probably be all.
I mean, as long
Covered
as you're
it.
happy with it,
Yeah, I'm cool with it.
that's
I'm
it, man.
not tripping over it.
Yeah.
I was like really focused on, at least these parts came out decent here. This was a bitch, man. Like this
Yeah,
back
that's what
portion.
I'm saying, like,
Oh my
you
God.
leave that in there. It's just not gonna...
Yeah.
So as long as you're cool with how it looks,
Yeah.
it's your car, you know.
Yeah. You have
So-
to chase some threads though.
I've been running like a.
Doing it exactly the way you imagine.
What is this? A Celica?
Yeah.
This is cool.
Like his fuel tank setup.
Yo, are these like beer kegs?
Yeah, they're like Sony cakes.
And he's gonna like you're gonna fill it up when it's like
Dude,
the
that's
original spot.
so sick.
Go into it.
Yeah, it's definitely like a cyberpunk kind of build. What kind of motor is this?
The beams. It's from like Altisa.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, IS 200.
Dude, this is crazy. Like this whole manifold.
Yeah, that's a Myers competition custom header.
Dude, this is sick.
He's in Wilton. He does like a lot of Honda stuff.
That's so cool.
And these will be like AN lines, which is gonna be cool. So they're gonna cut this off and put like a threaded dash 20 on it.
That's dope. All right, brother, man.
Alrighty.
Catch you later, brother.
Yeah.
Let me know, Aaron.
I'll talk to you about it
For sure.
when we get closer. I think my goal is just like get the engine in,
Yeah.
get the front end on,
Yeah.
and like start figuring out like what our game plan is, you know?
Sounds good, man.
Or get the engine in, do I think all the accessories first,
Yeah, yeah.
and then look at that.
Okay. Sounds good, man. Just shoot me some updates. See you, brother. All right, guys. So, well, man, my hair looks... Woo! So, we're back in the garage. We finally dropped off the BMW. Hopefully, Aaron can start working on that. I know he's going to take his time with it. I'm not in a complete rush. I just want it back by the summer. So, finally out of the garage, out of my hands, now into Aaron's hands. Finally got the Miata back in the garage. Thankfully, wife's happy about that. But that's just the update I have for the BMW. So hopefully we can start seeing some progress work on it done soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.